Jim Butler, the Mid-Mo Powerhouse. We are the #1 truck dealer in mid-Missouri with over 2,000 vehicles to choose from and an exclusive Fresh Start program to get you approved. Why buy from Butler? We check all the boxes. Plus, we sell over 1,200 vehicles per month and 7,000 pre-owned vehicles per year. So we've made the process fast and easy, enabling you to shop 100% online, and we deliver nationwide. If you have a vehicle to trade in, we give you more for your trade, and that's a fact. Whether you're buying a new or used vehicle, Jim Butler gives you CARFAX For Life. This helps you track your vehicle's value, maintenance, and even open recalls. Looking to buy a used vehicle? Take advantage of our 10-day pre-owned exchange policy. Get in-depth vehicle history with a free CARFAX, and your vehicle's backed by Butler. Most of our new and pre-owned vehicles come with a Powerhouse Lifetime Loyalty Protection Program to give you a worry-free driving experience. Shop with confidence at midmopowerhouse.com or at JimButlerCDJR.com.